Good morning, students. In this period, I am going to prove theorem 6.8. In previous class, I had proved theorem 6.7. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree, and the statement of theorem 6.8 is, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two interior opposite angles. In हिंदी, यदि एक त्रिभुज की भुजा एक भुजा को यदि बढ़ाई जाए तो इस प्रकार बना वही त्रिकोण अपने अभिमुख अंतः कोणों के योगफल के बराबर होता है। थ्योरम 6.8, यदि किसी त्रिभुज की एक भुजा बढ़ाई जाए तो इस प्रकार बना वही त्रिकोण अपने अभिमुख अंतः कोणों के योगफल के बराबर होता है। इफ अ साइड ऑफ ए ट्रायंगल इज प्रोड्यूस्ड, देन द एक्सटीरियर एंगल सो फॉर्म्ड इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द टू इंटीरियर अपोजिट एंगल्स। हियर द स्टेटमेंट इज, if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles, equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. Given a triangle ABC, in which side BC is produced to point D, forming exterior angle, angle K. To prove that, angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. A triangle ABC whose side BC, is produced to point D, forming exterior angle 4. To prove that angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. If a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is sum of the two opposite sum of the two opposite interior angles. Construction is proof. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We have learnt from exercise 6.7. We know that the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. But angle 3 plus angle 4 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. We know that if the sum of the angles is 180 degree, then the lines form a linear pair. By linear pair, angle 3 plus angle 4. Here, the sum of both equations is 180 degree. So from 1 and 2, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 3 plus angle 4. 3 cancel. Yeah. So angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. Proved. It was to be proved. यही सिद्ध करना था हमें कि if a side of a triangle is produced, then the exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angles. यदि किसी त्रिभुज की एक भुजा बढ़ाई जाए तो इस प्रकार बना बहिष्य कोण अपने अभिमुख अंतःकोणों के योगफल के बराबर होता है. Here a triangle ABC whose side BC is produced to point D, forming an exterior angle ACD 4, angle 4. We have to prove that angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus angle 2. We have learnt from exercise theorem 6.7. We have proved in previous classes the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So we can write angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. But we also know that angle 3 plus angle 4, here line AC, ray AC makes BCD with adjacent angles 3 and 4. So angle 3 plus 4 is equal to 180 degree by linear pair. Angle 3 from 1 and 2, both sum is 180 degree. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus 3 is equal to angle 3 plus 4. Angle 3 cancel because these angles are common. So angle 4 is equal to angle 1 plus 2. Hence it is proved that the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two interior angles. और एक तो बच्चे in example 8 in figure 6.38 I am going to solve example 8 of this exercise 6.3 ABC. ABC XYZ In figure 6.38, the sides AB and AC of a triangle ABC are produced to point E and D respectively if bisectors BO and CO of angle CBE and BCD respectively meet at point O, then prove that angle BOC is equal to 90 degree minus half एंगल BAC। चित्र 6.38 में त्रिभुज ABC की भुजाएं AB और AC क्रमशः E और D बिंदु तक बढ़ाई गई है। यदि कोण CBE और कोण BCD का अर्धक क्रमशः O बिंदु पर मिलते हैं तो हमें सिद्ध करना है कि कोण BOC बराबर 90 डिग्री माइनस 1/2 एंगल BAC। फिगर 6.38 में त्रिभुज ABC की भुजाएं AB और AC को बिंदु E और D तक क्रमशः बढ़ाया गया है। यदि कोण CBE और कोण BCD की अर्धक BO और CO क्रमशः O बिंदु पर मिलते हैं तो सिद्ध करें कि कोण BOC बराबर 90 डिग्री माइनस 1/2 एंगल BAC। Here we see that BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Here BO is the bisector of angle, bisector BO is the bisector of angle CBE, bisector of angle CBE, so angle CBO बराबर, therefore angle CBO is equal to 1/2 angle CBE, because BO bisects angle CBE. So we can write angle CBO is equal to 1/2 angle CBE is equal to 1/2 for angle CBE is equal to here 180 degree. CBE is equal to 180 degree minus 180 degree. CBO is equal to 1/2 एंगल CBE बराबर 1/2 into 180 degree minus Y is equal to 90 degree minus Y/2 1. Similarly, CO is the bisector of angle BS. Similarly, CO is the bisector of angle BCD. So angle BCO is equal to, इसलिए एंगल BCO is equal to 1/2 एंगल BCD is equal to 1 by 2 180 degree, 180 degree minus z is equal to 90 degree, 90 degree minus z by 2. Consider equation 2. Now in 1 and 2, here angle BCO, in triangle BCO, angle CBO plus angle BCO plus angle BOC. Here angle BCO, angle CBO, angle CBO, angle CBO in triangle BOC, in triangle BOC, CBO is equal to angle CBO plus angle BCO plus angle BOC is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angles of triangle is equal to, so yeah, angle BOC plus angle CBO, putting the value from 1, angle BCO is equal to 90 degree minus y by 2 plus 90 degree minus z by 2 is equal to 180 degree. Yeah, here we cancel 90 degree, 90 degree, cancel. Yeah, we write one step more, angle BOC plus 90 degree minus y by 2 plus 90 degree minus z by 2 is equal to 180 degree. Here 90, 90, 180. Angle BOC is equal to, yeah, angle BOC is equal to, BOC is equal to y by z, angle y plus y by 2 plus z by 2 is equal to y plus z by 2. Angle BOC बराबर 1 by 2 angle y plus z. But x plus y, we know that x plus y plus z, but x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree. Yeah, putting the value of y plus z, therefore y plus z बराबर, yeah, y plus z is equal to 180 degree minus x. Yeah, y plus z, yeah, y plus z 180 degree minus y plus z is equal to 180 degree minus x. Therefore angle BOC बराबर, now angle BOC बराबर angle BOC बराबर angle CBO plus angle BCO. Angle BOC is equal to 1 by 2 y plus z. BOC angle putting the value y plus angle BOC is equal to y plus z by 2. BOC बराबर y plus z by 2. So we can write x 180 degree minus x by 2. Here angle BOC बराबर y plus z by 2, and here y plus z is equal to 100 degree minus 180 degree minus x. So putting the value of y plus z is equal to y plus z by 2, VOC from y plus z by 2, and the value of y plus z is equal to 180 degree minus x by 2 is equal to 90 degree, 180 degree by 2 minus x by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus x by 2. It was to be proved. Find the value of angle BOC बराबर 90 degree minus x by 2. Again here in the figure 6.38 we see that BO is the bisector of angle. BO is the bisector of angle CBE. So BO is the bisector of angle CBE. Therefore, angle CBO is equal to 1 by 2 angle CBE, because angle CBO is equal to angle OBE. Angle CBO is equal to half angle CBE. And for angle CBE, we can write 1 by 2, 180 degree minus y, because if we subtract angle y from 180 degree, we get angle CBO बराबर 1 by 2 into 180 degree minus y. 180 degree minus y, if we subtract y from 180 degree, then we get CBO बराबर 90 degree minus y by 2. Also, CO is the bisector of angle BCD. Therefore, angle BCO is equal to 1 by 2 angle BCD. And for angle BCD, we can write 180 degree minus angle Z. 180 degree minus Z. Yeah, dividing by 2, 90 degree minus Z by 2. Suppose equation number 2. In triangle BOC, sum of the angles of triangle is equal to 180 degree. So we write angle BOC a plus. For CBO, we write 90 degree minus y by 2, and for BOC and for BCO, we write 90 degree minus z by 2 is equal to 180 degree. And breaking brackets, angle BOC plus 90 degree minus y by 2 plus 90 degree minus z by 2. Here 90 plus 90, 180. Cancel. Angle BOC is equal to, by transposition, angle BOC is equal to minus y by z becomes plus y by z, and minus z by 2 plus z by 2 in right hand is equal to y plus z by 2. Also, x plus y plus z is equal to 180 degree, sum of the angles of ourselves. So putting the value of x plus y plus z, yeah, we can write y plus z is equal to 180 degree minus x by transposition. And angle BOC is equal to, angle BOC बराबर, from here we have cleared angle BOC बराबर y plus z by 2. BOC बराबर y plus z by 2, and putting the value of y plus z in here, y plus z 180 degree minus x by 2, and dividing by 2 in 180 degree minus x, 180 degree by 2 minus x by 2. Then we have 90 degree minus x by 2. It was to be proved that find the angle of BOC बराबर 90 degree minus x by 2. So example 8, very important for examination point of view. You can you must complete this example, and after that you will go in exercise 6.3. In next class I will start exercise 6.3. Thank you.